we're gonna go on a little adventure quest. So my last video I was bitching about my muffler being too loud. So we're gonna go get one. All right, put on my seat belt. Putting on my seat belt. I even got my earplugs in. So is that a good camera angle? I don't know if you can see this, but I adjusted my steering wheel more so that we could see the speedometer. Cold start. Come on, little bit. Come on. So we're knocking out two things today. We're going to get a muffler, and this drive is going to be the longest drive that I've had in this Beetle. About 40 minutes one way, and we're going to have a little highway action. I got the muffler in hand. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. It's probably too big for the car, but whatever. We're back in the garage. This thing did rather well driving around. I did about an hour and 20-minute round trip. Not bad. So this is what I went to go pick up. This muffler right here. I only paid 20 bucks for it. I think it's like a cheap $50 muffler or something like that. Putting it in somewhere on this side. Oh geez, there's no room. We're already hitting stuff. I need to come up with a way to make this quieter. I know that doing the firewall will be a big plus, but I haven't exactly figured out how I want to go about it, dealing with that fuckery right there. Different muffler, we'll try it, see what I can come up with. Thanks for cruising along with me today. Hopefully I got to show you a little bit of data regarding, you know, what this thing cruises at on the highway. Yeah, I think it's doing really good. I kind of think that my gearing might be a little too high. That might be something I might go get another ring and pinion and pull the trans out, but that would be something I would do way later on. But right now it's doing great. It accelerates really well, even though I'm only doing about 6 pounds of boost, and I have a very conservative timing map. I think I'm right around like 18 degrees or something at red line at 6 pounds of boost. I don't think that's a whole lot of timing. And then during Excel up through, you know, 2500 to about 3500, I have a max timing right around like 24 or 25 degrees. I could go a lot more, I believe. I think you can take these things up to like 30 something, but I don't want to do that quite yet, messing with the timing a whole lot, because I'd like to build a set of det cans so I can hear if I'm getting knock, and I want to get this thing on the dyno and actually see what numbers do what and where the power starts to taper off, so I can know where to put timing in or where to pull it. I just need to find a dyno that I can rent. A lot of places, they want to tune the car, and I want to tune the car. I built this thing, so I want to be the one that fucks it up, and I want to be the one that learns what this thing likes and what it doesn't like. Anyway, thanks for listening to me talk for way too long, and if you're liking this content, man, please, if you're new to this channel and you're really digging what we got going on here, please take a second and subscribe. We're gonna come up with a lot more content, and I think I have another build coming my way. I guess we'll touch bases on that later on. Anyway, peace.